Okay, boys and girls. So we're going to talk about the two sounds the TH has. What do we call this first sound? Raise your hand, please. Okay, this is going to be the buzzing TH. Echo me. Okay, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is this one? Noah? Okay, this is blowing TH. Echo me, please. 3 seconds. Here we go. Blow your candle out. Stop. Very good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I need an echo. I'm going to read the word. You're going to echo me. I really want to hear you focusing on that sound. Okay, so I'm going to kind of, you're going to hear me focus on that sound. So I want to hear that buzzing or that blowing sound. Here we go. They, them, the, then, there, these, that, this, than. Good. Okay, let's move to the blowing TH sound. Here we go. Thumb, think, 3, thing, thorn, theme, third, thick, think, thump. Okay, so TH has two sounds. A buzzing sound that makes our tongue kind of tickle when we do it, and then we have the blowing sound where we're actually kind of pushing air out. So, and so what we're going to do, I have an activity. I'm going to send you back to your desk, and I'm going to ask you, you're going to get a list of these words, okay? And your job is, I would like for you to sort which sound you hear. Do you hear the buzzing TH sound, or do you hear the blowing TH sound? Okay? We have about 8 minutes before it's time to go to block today. So if you could please, I need you to get busy right away and be very vigorous about your learning. Okay? Does everyone understand what I need you to do? You're going to need scissors and a pencil.